Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making some spring rolls, vegetable spring rolls. Just going to start by turning my pan on. Going to spray my pan with a little bit of nonstick spray. And I'm going to start with adding in the tricolor coleslaw. I don't have a whole bag, so I won't be making that many of them. This is what I use to put the filling for my spring rolls. Now you can fill in anything extra that you want to use. I'm going to be using some sesame seed oil, or rather, I'm going to be using some sesame oil. You can get, this is pure black sesame oil, but you can get toasted sesame oil. Felt like we had that too, but I don't know. The toasted sesame tastes better to me, but that's just my opinion. And I'm going to also be adding in some soy sauce. Now you can add any type of veggie you want, whether you want to do mushrooms or something else, you can add that in as well. I'm going to add in some ginger. I'm not measuring anything, guys. I'm just literally just adding stuff in. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. You can add in pepper, but again, you can always just change it when taste it and add what you need. And of course, it wouldn't be a recipe for me without my minced garlic. I love adding garlic to almost everything that I cook, actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this cook down. Once this cooks down, and by cooking down, I just mean until the carrots and the cabbage gets a little bit tender. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this spring roll wraps. Now, what I just paid attention to today, which I didn't pay attention to the other day, is that my wraps are actually expired, but they actually did roll. We ate them, we didn't get sick, so I'm just gonna finish them up, and the next time we'll buy some new ones. All right, so you're gonna start with your wraps. Kind of make it like a triangle, or, you know, more, not a triangle. You wanna face it like with the point facing you. At least this is how I do mine. You're gonna go into the middle of the wrap, spoon in whatever you're using. And again, you can add anything you want to. You are going to take the corner of your wrap, fold it in, pull it. Now, I'm not an expert at this, so again, this is a basic tutorial. So you're going to fold in the corners. And then you're just going to roll it. Now, when you get to the edge, you can see mine is coming loose. You're going to add some water because that's going to help set the wrap. And then there's your first wrap. Just set that aside until you're ready to fry it. So we'll do a couple more. Sorry about that. I forgot that I was cooking something there. Again, you're going to pull. Yeah, I can tell these are old because they're sticking together a lot more than what they should. But like I said, I'm going to use them because we did use them the other day. This is embarrassing because it's taking me a long time to do it. Gonna roll it, put the water on the end, and there you have it. Now we put our rolled spring rolls into the frying pan. Now my pan is on medium, so please excuse the presentation of these because I think with using the using them as old wraps, they are breaking apart, whereas I believe if these were new wraps, I don't think they would break as easily. Back up, Ava. And I'm just using traditional This one is really messed up. I'm literally just using traditional olive oil to cook these in.
I like the way how it's sounding.
You do?
Yeah. It's like,
All right, so they've been cooking for a couple of minutes on this side, and you don't have to cook them too terribly long. Just gonna flip them over to the other side. Let them brown on that side. And then honestly, they're gonna be done because the mix is already cooked. Oh yeah, that one cooked a little bit too long.
yeah. Really done.
But we'll eat it.
And it looks nice and crispy. Mom, it looks really yummy and crispy.
All right, so we're back, and my husband literally just walked in just as I got finished cooking.
And look what I found.
So
look what I found.
Let's see.
More egg rolls. I don't know what's in it.
Technically spring rolls, but egg rolls, spring rolls.
It don't matter. Well, now I know what I'm about to eat, but I didn't know before 5 seconds ago. So yeah, it's still piping hot. I got a paper towel, as you can see, to kind of make sure I don't scald my fingers here. But let's see what we are working with. This is good.
You seem surprised.
No. It's good, but different than what it tasted like some of the other times that you've done the spring roll.
Well, this time I strictly kept just the veggies in it, and I used ginger, and I used the sesame oil.
I taste the sesame oil.
I put some soy sauce.
Okay.
And some salt.
Okay.
And that was and garlic.
And garlic. Okay.
Yeah.
That's always good.
So I think that's it. I mean, I didn't do anything different. I may have seasoned it.
I don't say much. The ginger has a taste of its own.
I may have put more in it than what I have in the past. I don't know.
Yeah. I can't really taste it, but it's adding to the overall flavor. So yeah, this is great. Yeah. So try the recipe. I'll be interested to know how it turns out for you guys, and have you taste it for yourself, and just make sure I'm not just saying it, because of just my wife. I'm sorry, I got distracted. My younger one came back in here. But yeah, I want y'all to know I'm just not saying this. This is actually really, really good. So smash up the likes, smash up the likes, smash up the likes. If you eat spring rolls and egg rolls, leave any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we have new content. Till next time, God bless.